Hey guys, um, it's Crazy Gamer 12. So today I'm in my vacation house in New Hampshire, right on the lake, and there's a couple ceiling fans in it. So I figured I'd take a video of this one first. I'm not sure what brand it is, but it's on the uh, porch with the string lights. So anyways, I think this is 3-speed. I think it's reversible, like any other ceiling fan out there. Like I said, I don't see any brand name on it anywhere. There probably is. There probably is something. You could take a look. There might be some tags up there, but I can't read anything. But yeah, blades are very dirty. I'm assuming they're just this color on both sides. Pull chain pendant, reversing switch. So yeah, it's controlled off of this 3-speed control right here. So we'll fire it up, start off with low. It does have a bit of a humming noise, but I think that's okay. And spoiler alert, there are Casablancas in this house. That's a Delta 2. It's controlled off hold on, I'm gonna have to block it. Might be able to see that there's a 3-speed control on the wall there. That's what controls that. This is low. It does hum a little bit. I'm not sure why, but I don't know if it's the control, but medium. The hum gets louder as the speed goes up. So yeah. If you hear any creaking noises, that's just because the floors creak a lot in this house. Not sure why, but they do. The bearings also make a little bit of noise. And it starts to wobble a bit. The camera will not pick up the wobble on medium, but on high speed you probably will see it shake around a little bit. And now for high. So as you can see, it starts to shake around a little bit. And it makes a squeaking noise from the wobble. But it does move pretty fast. That was a pretty good breeze on high. We'll shut it down. So yeah, I think it only shakes around because either it's out of balance or maybe the long down rod, but I think the squeaking noise is coming from the mount, from the down rod ball squeaking against the canopy when it shakes around. I mean, I'm not sure, but that's my best guess. Sorry for the shaky camera, it's just kind of cold out here. I guess I'll just watch the fan spin down, because that's really all there is to show for this fan. Honestly, when we first got here, I never expected a fan to be out here. In the summertime, I bet this fan is used quite a bit. That's probably why it's really dusty, because this fan probably does get used a lot during the summertime anyways. And those noises you're hearing are just because it's probably raining a little bit. Yeah, this is a nice house, and I definitely am glad that there are some things to film, such as ceiling fans, in this place. I mean, I might film the Delta 2. There is also a Panama in the master bedroom that's on teletouch control, but for some reason it doesn't work. I don't know if the teletouch board is fried or it just doesn't work. I don't know if maybe the power is not hooked up to that specific switch. I don't know. I have no clue, but either way it doesn't work. But I will show you guys maybe in the future. Anyway, guys, that is it. That is the ceiling, one of the ceiling fans in my New Hampshire vacation house. It's the one on the porch. Again, no clue what brand it is, so if you guys can let me know what brand this fan is, let me know down in the comments below on the 3-speed wall switch. So, see you guys next time.